No wonder I couldn't think straight.
Becky, it's bedlam out there.
That's nothing compared to the bedlam in my head.
Oh, look, I don't want to row.
I ain't rowing.
Even if we could find another $5 do you seriously think that would be an end of it?
Claire, them lads have been no bother. I've not had a peep out of them.
Oh, Claire. Has I got him out yet, love? Ashley died. No. His face looked fine. No cuts. No blood. He looked like he was fast asleep. He always sleeps with his mouth open and he can't breathe through his nose. He used to worry that if he ever got caught up in a bank robbery and they gagged him that he'd suffocate to death. The bank robbery, the things he worried about. We should have gone to France. We should have gone to France. We should have gone to France.
Right. I can't raise any more money. I've made 1,000 phone calls, and even without all this going on, I'm getting nowhere.
It's okay.
Is it?
There's nothing you can do.
I love him. And I want him to be with us.
I know.
She'll see sense. Because deep down, I don't think she wants it.
I hope so. Terrible that that sounds.
We're just going to have to hold our nerve.
You know what? I've just been sat with Claire and I don't think I can take a right lot more of this.
Right, we'll go to bed.
I need a... Kylie. It's me. I've got your filthy money. Tell me where and when.